Welcome to my YouTube channel on freelance and business. My name is Cheption Mutai. In this week's video on freelancing tip, I'll show you 2 ways to upload a WordPress theme to your web hosting control panel in order to customize it to suit your needs. If you're here for the first time, thumbs up this video and subscribe to my YouTube channel. It is always important to know different ways to upload a WordPress theme in case one of them fails to work. This way, you will be able to pinpoint and troubleshoot any problems or errors. For example, missing style sheet. Looking for professional video production services? Request a quote on www.techtubstudio.com. The first way is to upload the theme directly from your WordPress dashboard. This is a very common way that you might be well versed with. On your WordPress dashboard, hover your mouse to Appearance, then select Themes. Click Add New. On the new page, click Upload Theme, then click Choose File. Select the file that you want, the theme that you want to upload, then click Open. Then click Install Now. Wait for the installation to complete. When the theme is has completed installing, you will see here the theme installed successfully. Sometimes this type of installation fails. So what other options do we have here? The second way is via the hosting cPanel. Log in to your hosting cPanel. On your hosting cPanel, scroll down and select File Manager. Just select the domain that you want to upload the theme to, then click public-html, then WP content, then themes. These are the themes that I have on my WordPress. I'll just need to upload a new one. Just click on Upload here, select the file from your computer, click Open, then click Upload. Wait for the theme to upload. It will take a few seconds depending on the size. Once it's done, it will show here. Click on the theme, then click Extract. Then click on Extract. You can see the extractions is complete. When I go back to my WordPress dashboard and refresh, the theme which I have uploaded now and extracted the file from is here. This is the theme that I uploaded from the cPanel. And that is it from me here today on Freelancing Tip. If you have any questions regarding to this video, let me know in the comments section below. Alternatively, you can send me an email to connect@cheptioni.com. Follow me on Twitter @cheptioni. Until next time, bye-bye and take care. Looking for professional video production services? Request a quote on www.techtubstudio.com.